This video will walk you through getting started with Messenger Pigeon on your mobile device. First, open your device's App Store. Search for Messenger Pigeon. Look for the app with the purple pigeon logo and click the button to the right to download the app. Once it downloads, hit Open to launch the Messenger Pigeon app. Let's log in. If you are part of an organization, your school will register for you, so you do not need to sign up for a personal account. If you are a personal user, you can tap Sign Up from this page, or use the link in the description of this video to create your personal Messenger Pigeon account. Click Log In. Enter your credentials. You can also tap Log In with Email to get a magic link sent to your inbox for an easy login. On your first launch, Messenger Pigeon will walk you through a quick tour of the app so you can get started right away. You're in. Now you can use Messenger Pigeon on your mobile device. Check out our other tutorials so you can get started with recording today.